Sebastian. Chester. Little guy. I see, Indy. I see. Hush. Can I have it, please? Indy, drop it. Good boy. Zoe's gonna get in your way. Okay, Indy. Ready? Whoops. That's a shitty throw on my part. Who's that? Hi. Hi, Andy. You're gonna grab the camera with your mouth. I know how you work. This is what happens when I sit down. Whoa, Merlin. You are a little lap bitch. You like guard your lap. What's up, Chico? Merlin. Do not knock my glasses off again. You see my crappy cut-off jeans. Oh my God, Rocket. Yeah, you get Sienna. Oh, no, that's Zoe. Excuse me. Growly face. Check out. Hush. Here, one more throw. Check out these fashionable pink nails of yours. They're chipped. Cockapoo. Hey, Cockapoo. Poor little Zoe. Pixels. Oh well. Where's your ball? Chester. Hey. Knock it off. Good boy. Silly thing.